Oh, too much. Right there, right there. That's good right there. Real line. You rolling. Real line. I'm trying to understand that. So what do you mean, Marie? Got no air. What's blowing on with the air? All the way to the look to that first stud behind you. You're working our way on back.
Oh, I thought you were going.
Oh,
okay,
no.
I thought you get that one. But I need to get on the other side then.
Oh, okay.
Why you tell me that?
I thought you was just
Marie,
gonna,
I see what you got there.
Marie.
I see that, Marie.
You're gonna have to go all the way in that corner over there. Put it back. Yeah, there you go, so I can get it.
I see what you mean, Marie. Yeah,
Marie. I thought he was just gonna boop, boop, boop.
Oh, you.
Was in? Where your stud at? You see where your stud was at?
I hope I'm on top of it.
So I tell you what we're gonna do. Since we're gonna double up on the middle. Let's just come over with one stub over. You come over to that side. I put well. Let's see. Okay. So where your stud at?
Both sides? Both sides?
No. One side is good. All right, time to get up.